Hey friends, welcome back to the vlog. It's about the time we spent in Python apart from our hospital schedule. Through this vlog, we are going to take you through the almost every tourist attraction in Python along with our daily lives.
So let's start with the very first place, Naghat. It's one of the religious places in the Python located on the shores of Godavari river. The place is gifted with such a scenic view that nobody can resist a small photo shoot. So we also snapped some memories there. After this small photo shoot, we decided to play some games from our childhood to make this morning even better. Later, while heading back to our place, we stopped by a point where we had some more pictures. Then we had breakfast at a local hotel with some sweets at the Balaji sweet shops before going to the hospital for our regular routine. On the same day, we went to visit the temple of Sant Ekanath Maharaj, but due to ongoing COVID conditions, the temple was closed. So we decided to witness the beautiful sunset at the Zayakwadi Dam. When we got to know the other side of the dam, which was the most beautiful place in the Python that you must visit.
This is the most amazing day in our Python diaries. As usual, our day started with a fabulous morning at the Nath Sagar. We went to the dam just to witness these funny incidents.
Come on!
Later on the same day, there was an inauguration of the new dedicated COVID health center, and our Jadu #Ashwini became the first doctor to counsel the COVID patient under the guidance of the Dr. Sachin sir. On the same evening, we had fun at some dam side location and spent the rest of the time while planning the birthday of our low budget surgeon Avdut while enjoying the bonfire.
A few moments later.
Our third day started with some swimming lessons and delicious breakfast. When we came back to the hospital, after some time in the OPD, I thought of getting this beauty on the road for a long drive with our other friends. Here, we shot many amazing shots and clips for our upcoming vlogs. During this period, our friends Kranti and Swapna recorded some amazing clips.
Love you, Zindagi. Love you, Zindagi.
While coming back to our residence, we witnessed the most horrifying evening with lightning showing up in the sky.
After the hectic day at the hospital, we were enjoying ice cream and kulfi from a local ice cream shop when we got to know about the birthday of our problem solver MO, Dr. Khating sir. So we arranged for the cake and the other dinner. But like in any hospital setting, we got a case of a serious COVID patient and we had to cancel all the plans for the birthday.
Oxygen time ano? Siya. Oo. Lagit.
After all this, we became free at about 4 in the morning to celebrate the birthday.
After this memorable event, on the previous day, we went to the Manuda Dhaba Hotel for the birthday party of Cutting Sir. Then we came back to the hospital just to celebrate his birthday again with all the hospital staff, where our marketing master gave us lesson on how to sell any product. We ended this cheerful day with a game of poker with lots of fun, where Team Mogambo was very badly beaten up by the Team Rock.
One of the last days of our Python diaries, we had our breakfast, and after a long day in the hospital, we decided to go for the mini trip of Apegao, which is the birthplace of one of the greatest Sant of Maharashtra, Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj. This temple gives the feel of freshness as it is settled at the bank of a great Godavari river. Then we shared some beliefs about various religious aspects with each other and added many pages of memories to the notebook of our lives. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and family, like and subscribe to the channel because every drop counts.